Mom? Dad? Where are you? I cannot see you anywhere. Huh? There are too many people. And I still cannot find my family. I think I am lost. And I do not know where my family went.
Hello, little buddy. You look worried. Are you okay?
I cannot find my family. I think I need some help, please.
Do not worry. You are safe here.
And I will help you find them.
Today will be a wonderful family day, and we will see many animals together.
There are so many animals here, and I want to see them all today. Lion, elephant, monkey. Wow, there are so many animals to see.
Stay with us all day and always keep close to your family.
If you want to stop, tell us first, and wait for us.
Okay, Dad, I will stay close, and I will tell you first, and I will tell you first. We stay together, and we help each other all day.
Smile, everyone. Let us remember our happy zoo day.
Wow! Look at that lion resting under the tree. The lion looks sleepy, and it is resting very quietly. Yep. Look! There is a huge elephant walking over there. Wow! The elephant is spraying water everywhere. Look at the monkey. It is jumping from branch to branch. That monkey is funny, and I want to watch it again.
Stay close, everyone. The next animal is waiting for us.
Look at the zebras. They all have different stripes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see so many zebras today. Come on, Tom. Stay with us and walk together. Wow, look at that zebra. It is walking so fast. Penguins! They are swimming under the water. They can swim. Look at them moving so quickly.
Tom, we are going to the next animal area now.
Look at that one. It is diving so deep. Let's keep together and follow the zoo map. Tiger! I want to see the tiger too. I will catch up with them very soon. There are so many animals. Which way should I go? Wow! A tiger! I have never seen one so close. Come back, tiger. I want to see you again. Mom? Dad? Where did everyone go? I cannot see my mom, Dad, or Lily anywhere. Everyone looks different. And I cannot find my family. I think I am lost. But I can stay calm and think. Maybe my family went this way, so I will look carefully. This place does not look right, and I am not sure where to go.
Stay with us, Tom. Stay close and tell us before you stop.
I should stop walking and wait in one safe place. That zoo worker is wearing a uniform. I can ask her for help. Excuse me, I need help because I cannot find my family.
Hello, Tom. You are safe here, and I will listen carefully.
Thank you so much. I lost my family while I was watching the animals.
Do not worry. We will help you. And your family is looking for you. Please stay here with me and do not run around the zoo.
Okay, I will stay here and wait for my family.
What is your name and who are you waiting for today?
I am Tom, and I am waiting for my mommy and daddy.
Can you tell me what your parents and sister look like?
Well, my mommy has dark wavy hair. My mom has dark wavy hair and wears a green cardigan. My dad is tall, and he wears a blue shirt today.
Don't worry, we will find him.
My sister Lily. She has black hair and wears a yellow cardigan.
We have a lost child named Tom. Please help us contact his family. Where is Tom? He was right beside us a moment ago.
I do not see Tom, but we will stay calm and find him.
Tom was watching the penguins, so maybe he stayed there longer.
Let us go back together and check the places we visited.
We have a report about Tom. Let us guide the family to him. We have found Tom. Tom? You found him? Thank goodness he is safe. Tom is safe near the elephant area. Please follow this path together.
Stay together, everyone. We are close to Tom now.
I am waiting here because my family is coming to find me. Find me.
Tom! There you are. We are so happy to see you.
Mom, Dad, Lily! I am really happy to see you again. I am sorry. I should have stayed close and listened to you.
We are happy you are safe. And we are not angry with you.
At a busy zoo, you must stay with us and never walk away alone.
Okay, Dad. I was looking at the animals, and I forgot to watch where my family went. You were excited about the animals, but we still need to stay together. Next time, I will stay close and tell you before I stop.
Rule number 1. Stay with your family when you visit busy places.
If you get lost, stay calm and ask a zoo worker for help.
Lion, monkey, zebra, penguin, tiger, giraffe. Stay together and stay safe at the zoo.